Good afternoon. This is Lance Bryce with Thrive Mortgage. Today is April 12th, Wednesday. Hope you were doing well. We were doing some traveling last week, so we postponed last week's call, and we're a little bit early on this week's call. But I wanted to talk to y'all about the Consumer Price Index report that came out this morning. It actually came in line with expectations. That was a bit unexpected. I know that sounds odd, but the bond market was really prepared for a breakout report that would have been significantly higher than the administration was communicating we might see. And instead, we got one that was pretty much in line with expectations. That said, interest rates today were at 5.12% in the Mortgage News Daily national average. Yesterday, we were at 5.25 in that same survey, y'all. So we did see a bit of relief rally in the bond market with today's CPI coming in as expected. That said, you look back at our last call on the 31st, we were at 4.78. So we are up about 3/8 of a point in the last 10 days or so as the rate and bond market sell off continues. In fact, when you look at a bond chart, y'all, and you look at prices of bonds, which move inverse to the price to the rate, you see it moving significantly steeper than even the 25-day moving average. So that on a bond chart looks pretty much like rates are falling off of a cliff, or bond prices rather, with rates moving in the opposite direction of the prices on those. So that's what's pushing rates higher, y'all. It's all about inflation. It's all about fears of inflation. Bonds are fixed income securities. That's what our rates are tied to. And inflationary environments are very, very tough on those yields. So that's what we're seeing. The Dow Jones is becoming a bit less significant, but it's down 600 points or so over the last week, again on inflationary concerns and geopolitical issues. So all of it's just created a hodgepodge of rates heading still higher. We haven't hit a floor yet, y'all. I'll let you know when we get there, but it doesn't seem to be on the horizon anytime soon. Locking is still a very strong bias. I'm locking contracts the day I get them. So and sometimes a little bit faster than that. Just give me the final numbers, tell me it's under contract, and I'm locking that address. So that's where we are. Hope everyone is doing well. We will talk to you soon. Stay safe, stay blessed. We'll talk to you next week.